So children, this is my second part of informal letter. So in previous video, I discussed how to write address, what to remember while writing address, and date, and then salutation like greeting, and then in opening letter, closing, opening line, closing line, body, expression, what all things we have to remember. Now, as I said in my previous video that I'll show you some of the examples of opening line. So here, first let me show you some examples of opening line. You see, I have written here, children look very carefully, okay? See, suppose I'm writing one letter, I'm writing a letter to my mother or to my father or to my any elderly person. And I just want to inform that I have secured a very good percentage in my annual exam. So what can be, I will not start my letter with, how are you, hope you were well, no. I can start the letter. You will be very glad to know that I have secured 98% in my annual examination. Now the second option, see these are all different cases. We will write this type of opening line. Suppose one later I'm writing to my friend or to my brothers, to my sisters, and I'm just because this is a letter where I am congratulating my brother or my friend on his success. Okay, so what can be the opening line? I cannot describe in words how pleased I am to hear the happy news of your brilliant success in the 10th board examination. Now suppose I have been shifted to a new school. I'm sent to a new school where it is a boarding school I'm staying. Now I'm writing a letter from my boarding school for my new school to my friend or to my parents. So then what can be, and I'm just going to describe my new hostels or my new boarding school. Then what can be the opening line? It has been almost a month I transferred to the new boarding school. I'm very happy in my new school. So this can be one opening line. Now suppose I have received a gift on my birthday. I'm just writing a letter to from my uncle, from my aunt, from my friend, from my parents, whoever. I'm just replying. I'm just thanking. So what will be my opening line? Thank you very much for the wonderful gift which you sent me on my birthday. That can be. Next, coming to suppose there is going to be one educational excursion or educational trip from my school, and I am staying in school hostel. I'm writing a letter to my father. So what can be the opening line? I'm writing this letter to ask you permission for the upcoming educational excursion, which has been arranged by our school for the students of class 7 and 8. Like this. Suppose my friend is hospitalized. I'm writing, the topic is something like that. I'm writing a letter. I'm asking how his health is, and then I just want his speedy recovery. For that, what can be the opening line? I'm worried to hear the news that you have been hospitalized because of your ill health. Next, we will elaborate. So these are opening line. One more, see, I have written, I suppose I have not done well in my exam, and I'm writing a letter in my exam, and the result came out, and I'm writing letter to my parents. They, maybe my mother or father, who already knows my result. So I know that you were very disappointed with my half yearly report that you must have received last week. Means parents, mother has received or father has received the report card, the result, and that is definitely not satisfactory. So I'm writing the letter. Next, some example of children closing line. What can be my closing line? As I said in my previous video, that closing line will also have connection with the topic. So suppose I'm that one opening line I wrote, that I'm congratulating my friend or my brother or my sister or someone. Then what can be the closing line of those type of letter? Eagerly waiting to meet you to celebrate your achievement together. Now suppose in one letter where I'm just writing my friend or my brother or my any uncle or anyone is hospitalized. So what can be the closing line? I pray to God for your speedy recovery. Then that gift one. What can be the closing line? Thank you once again for the loving gift. Next, later where I'm just writing my parents or my mother or my father, that they are disappointed with my result. So what can be my closing line? Don't get upset with my result. I promise you to work hard and bring success. Next, that excursion letter, suppose. What can be the closing line? Please send me the permission letter at the earliest. So like this, what I wanted to make you understand, children, by this, what I showed you just now, all these opening lines and this closing lines, you once more see all the opening lines and the closing lines, what I'm showing you, these closing lines. These are just examples to make you understand that opening and closing line will be connecting the topic. So next I have written one example later to make you, one sample letter rather, I should say, to make you understand how the letter to write. Write a letter to your brother congratulating him on his academic success. So what is this? Station Road, comma, Barbil, comma, Orissa, 18th August 2020. Now it is suppose my brother. Okay, so my dear Ashish, whether it is brother, sister, whether it is friend, all with name. Next, you see, I am very pleased to hear your excellent result in the 10th board examination. You have once again made us proud. This is a moment of elation and celebration. I congratulate you on your success. Your days of hard work has finally paid off. Now see children, as I told you, in body we will make paragraph. So I changed the paragraph. The way you toiled day and night, I was already confident that you will come out with flying colors. Your success is an inspiration for me. I too have decided to work very hard and get brilliant success, brilliant result. My best wishes. Next, another paragraph, the closing line. My best wishes are always with you. Keep touching new heights of success. So this is one sample letter I wrote, children. So you have option to write in other way also, but my point is what you have to understand here. See, I have connected the topic with opening line. I have connected the closing line also with the topic. I have not written unnecessary points. You can increase the points as it is a sample letter. I wrote in short, you can little more, you can write, but you see the main important point. And now I am coming to a very important and the last part of my explanation, that is, see, everything from the left margin. This, if it is your copy and here one red margin is there in the copy, you notice one thing, children, everything has come from the left margin. Even when I have finished a paragraph, suppose my paragraph has finished here, but did I start from here? Next slide? No. Again from the left margin. So every paragraph also will start from left margin. Everything left margin. Then yours lovingly at the end with comma, without apostrophe. So these are very important part. Now, always remember when we do marking of letter, there is marking. See, here I am not discussing exactly what mark you get, but there is marking for address, for debt, for salutation or greeting. What I said, this my dear Ashish, for opening line. What you may be thinking, why madam is telling about opening line, closing line? Yes, separate marking for opening line, separate marking for closing line, and whether you have written this subject matter properly, what is called body. Then, if you remember, I told in my previous video, the last part, that is expression, whether you are correct grammatically, you are correct in spelling, you are correct in making the points. Everything matters for while we do marking for letter. So be very careful when you are writing, and remember at the end in informal letter, when we write the name, we do not write surname. So I hope everybody understood this process of writing informal letter. Earlier also you have done, but still it is what I thought of explaining again, so that whatever the minor errors you do, you should not do that again. So this much is for your this later writing explanation. I hope everybody understood. Now I will send you this notes, what I have explained this video. The notes I will send in WhatsApp group, so you will get the notes, so don't worry, and continue your letter in this format. Thank you.